So in this case, I believe it's quite simple to find the information requested. If we are asked for a given location, the daily number of sunlight hours fluctuates throughout the year. Suppose that the number of sunlight hours is given by the following function. So you can immediately see that this is your A, this is your K, and this is your C. Does not have a shifting, does not have any horizontal or phase shift. So what is the amplitude? Well, the amplitude is right there, 7.2. So I'm going to write it here, 7.2. Then time for one full cycle, D. So how long does it take to complete one full cycle and the maximum hours of sunlight in a day? So let's go for the maximum number of hours of sunlight in a day because it's related to the amplitude and the C, because those affect the Y. So if you were to sketch the graph, we're gonna have a midline at 12. Sorry, so this is 12. So that's gonna be your midline. And the amplitude is gonna be based on the midline. So it's gonna go plus 7.2 and minus 7.2. So it's gonna reach as high as 19.2. And if we take away 7.2 from 12, get all the way down to 4.8. So that means that if this is a sine, it's gonna go as high as 19.2 and as low as 4.8. What does that mean? It means that the maximum number of sunlight in a day is 19.2 hours, and the minimum is 4.8. So those are kind of extreme places where they either have a lot of sunlight or pretty much no sunlight at all, or close to none. So it'll be 19.2 hours. Here also 7.2 hours is your amplitude. Now let's try to figure out the time for one full cycle of D to happen in day. You would have to find the period. One full cycle is the period. So the period is found by doing 2 pi over K. And if K is 2 pi over 360, you're gonna do 2 pi over 1 divided by 2 pi over 360. So you're gonna have 360 times 2 pi, sorry, 365 over 2 pi. You're gonna cancel out, and this is telling us that the time for one full cycle, well, it's a year. It's 365 days. The frequency is a concept that I haven't really touched. So the period is equal to 2 pi over K. The frequency is the reciprocal, and that is K over 2 pi. So this tells you how many cycles are completed in 1 unit of time. So let's say you have 1 second and you complete, it's not my best job, but you complete 2 cycles in 1 second. So the frequency would be 2 in the unit of time.